first question is read and color the picture. Red tomatoes. Now see the picture. You have to color the tomatoes with red color. Blue ship. This is ship. You have to color the ship with blue color. Violet socks. You have to color the socks with violet color. Green curtains. These are curtains. You have to color the curtains with green color. So students, like this you have to read and you have to color the picture. Next question is color the apple tree. This is an apple tree. First we will color the leaves with green color. Apples, which color? Red color. This is called trunk. Trunk, which color? Brown color. Like this, you have to color the apple tree. Next question is complete the sentence with a or an. It is dash cat. Cat first letter is C. When the word begins with consonant, we use a. So what we will write here? A. It is a cat. It is dash ice cream. The word ice cream starts with I. I is a vowel. So what we will write here? An. A-N, an. It is an ice cream. The carpenter is making dash chair. The word chair starts with C. C is a consonant. So what we will write here? A. The carpenter is making a chair. I want to eat dash apple. The word apple starts with vowel. A is a vowel. So what we will write here? An. When the first letter is vowel, we use an. I want to eat an apple. Next question is write a or an in front of each word. Dash watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. W is a consonant. So when the first letter is consonant, we use a. A watermelon. Dash bird. Bird starts with B. B is a consonant. When the first letter is consonant, we use a. A bird. Dash egg. The word egg starts with E. E is a vowel. When the first letter is vowel, we use an. A-N, an. An egg. Dash moon. The word moon starts with M. M is a consonant. When the first letter is consonant, we use a. A moon. Dash penguin. The word penguin starts with P. P is a consonant. When the first letter is consonant, we use a. A penguin. Next question is write the one and many forms of the given words in the blanks. 1. Apple. Many apples. 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 While changing the word from one to many, we add s at the end of the word. For one, we say apple. For many, we say apples. Dash. Coins. Many coins. For one, we say coin. C-O-I-N, coin. One coin, many coins. One kite. K-I-T-E, kite. For one, we say kite. For many, we say kites. K-I-T-E-S, kites. One kite, many kites. Dash. Flowers. For many, we say flowers. For one, we say flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. One flower, many flowers. One teacher. For one, we say teacher. For many, we say teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. One teacher, many teachers. Dash. Roses. Many roses. For one, we say rose. R-O-S-E, rose. One rose, many roses. One bag. Many dash. For many, we say bags. B-A-G-S, bags. One bag, many bags. So students, like this you have to write the one and many forms of the given words. Next question is, look at the pictures and circle the correct word. आपको पिक्चर्स को देखकर सही शब्द को सर्कल करना है. Star, stars. What will be the correct word? See the picture. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Means many stars. So the correct word is stars. For one we say star. For many we say stars. Trees, tree. What will be the correct word? See the picture. Here we can see 1, 2, 3. Means many trees. So the correct word is trees. For one we say tree. For many we say trees. Snake, snakes. Here we can see 1, 2. Means many snakes. So the correct word is snakes. For one we say snake. For many we say snakes. Lemons, lemon. What will be the correct word? See the picture. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means many lemons. So the correct word is lemons. For one we say lemon. For many we say lemons. Hens, hen. What will be the correct word? See the picture. Here we can see one hen. So the correct word is hen. For one we say hen. For many we say hens. Chicks, chick. What will be the correct word? See the picture. Here we can see 1, 2. Means many chicks. So the correct word is chicks. For one we say chick. For many we say chicks. Next question is, write the correct action word for each picture. In the first picture, the boy is playing. The correct action word is playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. In this picture, what is the girl doing? The girl is reading. So the correct action word is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. In this picture, what is the girl doing? The girl is bathing. The correct action word is bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. Next question is, underline the action words. Anu is playing tennis. What is Anu doing? Anu is playing tennis. Anu क्या कर रही है? Anu tennis खेल रही है. So the word playing is the action word here. Underline playing. The peacock is dancing. What is the peacock doing? The peacock is dancing. Peacock dance कर रहा है. So dancing is the action word here. Underline dancing. Monkeys are jumping. What are the monkeys doing? The monkeys are jumping. बंदर क्या कर रहे हैं? बंदर उछल रहे हैं. So jumping is the action word here. Underline jumping. The boy is writing a letter. In this sentence, what is the boy doing? The boy is writing a letter. Boy क्या कर रहा है? Boy letter लिख रहा है. The word writing is the action word here. Underline writing. Rishita is singing a song. What is Rishita doing? Rishita is singing a song. Rishita क्या कर रही है? Rishita गाना गा रही है. So singing is the action word here. Underline singing. The dog is running. What is the dog doing? The dog is running. Running is the action word here. Underline running. Dipali is eating an ice cream. What is Dipali doing? Dipali is eating an ice cream. So eating is the action word here. Underline eating. बच्चों आपको समझ में आ गया कैसे एक्शन वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करना है? Next question is, look at the picture and write the correct sound. This is cow. What sound does the cow make? Yes, the sound a cow makes is moo. M-O-O, moo. This is snake. What sound does the snake make? The sound a snake makes is hiss. H-I-S-S. Hiss. This is bee. What sound does the bee make? The sound a bee makes is buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. This is owl. What sound does an owl make? The sound an owl makes is hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. This is horse. What sound does the horse make? The sound a horse makes is neigh. N-E-I-G-H. Neigh. This is hen. What sound does the hen make? The sound a hen makes is cluck. C-L-U-C-K. Cluck. This is lion. What sound does the lion make? The sound a lion makes is roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Next question is, look at the pictures, write in, on, near or under. The teddy is dash the car. See the picture? The teddy is on the car. O-N on. टेडी कहाँ है? टेडी कार के ऊपर है. The teddy is on the car. The dog and the cat are dash the table. See the picture? The dog and the cat are under the table. U-N-D-E-R. Under. The dog and the cat are under the table. The girl is dash the bus. The girl is near the bus. N-E-A-R, near. Near का मतलब होता है पास. The girl is near the bus. The frog is dash the pond. See the picture? The frog is in the pond. I-N, in. In का मतलब होता है अंदर. The frog is in the pond. Next question is, read each word. If the word has hard G, what is the sound of hard G? G. Color it green. If the word has a soft G, what is the sound of soft G? J. Color it orange. F-R-O-G, frog. Frog. Here G sound G. G. We are getting hard G sound G. So color the word frog with green color. P-A-G-E, page. Page. Here G sound J. J. We are getting the soft G sound J. So color the word with orange color. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Garden. Here G sound G. Hard G sound G. Garden. So color the word with green color. C-A-G-E, cage. Cage. Here G sound J. Cage. So color the word with which color? Orange color. D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. Dragon. Here G sound G. Dragon. Hard G sound. So color the word with green color. G-E-M, gem. Here G sound J. We are getting the soft G sound J. Gem. So color the word gem with orange color. G-U-N, gun. Here G sound G. Gun. We are getting the hard G sound G. Gun. So color the word with green color. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Engine. Here G sound J. J. We are getting the soft G sound J. Engine. So color the word with orange color. G-A-M-E, game. Game. Here G sound G. We are getting the hard G sound G. Game. So color the word with green color. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Magic. Here G sound J. We are getting the soft G sound J. Magic. So color the word with orange color. Add double S. What is the sound of double S? S. Or double L. What is the sound of double L? Add S or to the end of each word to complete the word. H-I dash. Now see the picture. This is hill. Hill. We are getting the sound at the end. So which two letters makes sound? double L. Hill, hill. Hi dash. This is snake. Snake, hiss. We are getting the sound here. Which two letters makes sound? Double S. Hiss, hiss. Fe dash. Now see the picture. The boy fell down. Fell. We are getting the L sound here. So which two letters makes L sound? Double L. Fell, fell. To dash. This picture shows toss. When we say toss, we are getting the sound here. So which two letters makes sound? Double S. TOSS, toss. So students, we have completed our worksheet. Watch the video carefully and practice at home.